All right, everyone. Now we're starting our new project. In this project, we'll build a full student management system. We'll be able to add students, update them, and delete them. So, throughout this project, we'll understand how rendering works in Next.js in a much deeper way. We'll also cover built-in features like loading states and not found pages. Now let's start with the setup. We create the project using npx create next app latest. I created an empty folder and opened it in Visual Studio Code. Then in the terminal, I run the command and install the project in the current folder. During setup, I disable TypeScript, enable Tailwind CSS, and continue with the app router. Once the installation is complete, our project is ready. Now we install Bootstrap. We run npm install bootstrap. After installation, we import Bootstrap inside layout.js. Then we do a quick cleanup. We remove unnecessary files like favicon and global CSS and simplify page.js with a basic structure. So we can use its classes globally. Next, inside layout, we wrap everything with a container class. So the entire app uses a consistent layout. Now, when we run the project, we can see that Bootstrap is working correctly. The container adjusts automatically based on screen size. So at this point, our setup is complete. Next, we'll fetch student data using JSON server and display it on the homepage. Then, when we click on a student, we'll navigate to a dynamic route based on the student's ID. So we create a dynamic folder. Inside students with a bracket ID structure. And define a page for student details. From here, we'll continue building features step by step, including forms, updates, and deletions.